dear colleagues and my loving students, Tanmay and Manish. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. We are celebrating this day just to remember our duties and responsibilities towards our students. As we belong to this particular department, we are academicians, we are teachers, we are very lucky that we are coming in direct contact with our students. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who used to believe that children are created by God and their innocence can melt anybody's heart. So let us not neglect any of the child of our institution. On this day, I would like to say everybody, all the teachers, let us promise that we will take care of each and every student who are with us.
Children's Day is important because you are the future. The children, they are the future of the country, and as Panditji rightly said, that the children, what we make of the children today, what we do with the children today, that will decide or that will determine the future of the country. So what our country will be tomorrow will greatly depend on how we deal with our children today, what we do for our children today. So school plays a very significant role, and Children's Day for school is also very, very important. We normally celebrate this occasion with a lot of pomp and fair. A lot of funfair is there. But unfortunately, since last year, because of COVID, we could not do it. And it was very, very small. Only few of us were present there last year. Today, I find some students, thankfully, are there with us. And you too, captain and vice captain of the school, you are the leaders. For the moment, you are the leaders of the school. And it is what you set examples, the others will follow. So I take this opportunity to wish all of you a very, very bright future. And see, because you are the future. So see that you take the country ahead, and our blessings will always be there with you. And to my message to all the children who are sitting at home, happy Children's Day to all of them, and happy Children's Day to everyone. Thank you.
Democracy is tolerance. Tolerance of those not only who agree with us, but also who disagree. This was the meaning of democracy for this great man. And you know, his contributions, his sacrifices, we have all read. And Madam Vice Principal was telling about our job responsibility about the children. It is not that cut a cake, distribute chocolates. That is nothing. If you really want to see smile in the face of a particular child, maybe who stands next to us, we can bring a change in the world. Never think so. Never think that we can bring a change in the world, but definitely we can try to bring a change in the child who stands next to us. Maybe in the classroom, maybe in the corridor, maybe in our neighborhood, maybe in the playfield. So that should be the real respect to this great man. If you make an attempt, honest attempt to see.
The three things which Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru very much liked is: one is child, second is red rose, third is punctuality. He was punctual to the last second. When Professor Mahalanobis was invited by him to meet at 11 a.m. and Professor Mahalanobis arrived exactly at the dot of the time, Nehru was 2 minutes late. Professor Mahalanobis was a man of great principle. He left and went up to the gate. Then Nehru realized it and ran as speedily as he could and caught hold of Professor Mahalanobis and held his hands and apologized that I am sorry, I am not punctual. That was the man who served India for so many years, and at last it gave modern India, which we are proud of now. The great 5 years plans were first conceived by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and successive 5-year plans gave India the status which we have now. Whatever people may say now, but Pandit Nehru actually founded India, the new India.
Now it's time to felicitate school captain and vice captain of this academic year 2021 and 22. Master Tanmay Nithankar and Manish Biswal are respectively selected as school captain and vice captain for the session 2021 and 22. I'd like to request Chairman sir to felicitate the captain and manager sir to felicitate vice captain.
All my seniors, dignitaries present over here, this is Tanmay Nithankar, hopefully the captain of this school, given an opportunity as soon. I never saw an opportunity like this. The belief they have in me, I am promising that I would keep the promise, belief that I will never have the ego or of something that is given to me by other dignitaries which think that I am capable enough to present the school as a leader. I am there for each and every student and each and every person anytime if they want. I would also like to congratulate Manish for being there with me in every time. But as I am new to the school, he being the old student has supported me. The teachers, they never have a discrimination of a new student, the way they treat us like a child. I love all the teachers and thank you for having me as the captain. Thank you, sir.
Very happy for the opportunity given to me for represent as the vice captain of this school, and I will give my best and try to be as responsible, as much responsibility given by the jury members, and I will give my best.
Esteemed chairman of the school, as well as the honorable guest of this wonderful celebration, Sri Raghunath Mishra, revered manager, sir, Sri Pratap Kumar Jana, respected principal, Madam Sandhya Jana, respected vice principal, Madam Pallavi Mahapatra, my respected colleagues, and our most adorable children, and the very talented captain and vice captain of the school, representing the entire student community here over to celebrate this wonderful occasion. At the very outset, I would like to say that yes, today is 14th November, a big historic calendar date for all of us. The whole nation is commemorating the beautiful day that is the Children's Day in the great memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Keeping this beautiful occasion in mind, at the very moment, I would like to wish all our dear students a very happy and glorious Children's Day. Yes, as a matter of fact, this day, in fact, reminds not only the teachers, with the teachers, the parents, but also each sensible citizen of the nation that children are our most precious possessions of present and golden and glorious future of the country. And this day also inspires all of us to realize the significance of this great day and our commitment for our children and to the nation as a whole. And we should realize that we should be always there to give them their rights to life, their rights to dreams, their rights to education, their rights to have love, care, and enjoy a very safe and secure childhood. As a teacher, I truly feel proud to pronounce my feelings that I do believe the children are the most beautiful, finest creations and the unique blessings of Almighty to serve mankind till posterity. Once again, happy Children's Day.